In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a budget in Microsoft Project. Adding a budget in Microsoft Project isn't about typing a dollar amount into a single box. Instead, you create a special kind of resource and attach it to the overall project, so project can track it properly against actuals and planned costs. Let's walk through it together, step by step, in a clear and practical way. First, make sure you can see the project summary task. This is a single row that represents your entire project, and it's the only place where a budget resource can live. Go to the Gantt chart view, open the Format tab, and turn on Project Summary Task. You'll now see a top row, often labeled Task 0. That's where we'll anchor the budget. Next, create the budget resource. Switch to the resource sheet from the View tab. Add a new resource and give it a descriptive name like Project Budget so it's easy to recognize later. In the Type column, choose Cost, since we're budgeting money, not work hours or materials. Now add the Budget column to this sheet by right-clicking a column header, selecting Insert Column, and choosing Budget. Set that value to Yes. This tells Microsoft Project that this resource represents a total budget rather than a regular cost you would assign to individual tasks. Now, assign that budget resource to the project itself. Go back to the Gantt chart, click the Project Summary task at the very top, then open the Resource tab and choose Assign Resources. Select the budget resource you just created and click Assign. If the Assign button is disabled, double-check that the Project Summary task is selected. Budget resources can only be assigned there, not to individual tasks. With the resource assigned, it's time to enter the actual budget amount. Open either the Task Usage or Resource Usage view. Both will work for this. Insert the budget cost column so you can enter the figure. Type your total budget, for example 100,000, on the assignment line for the project summary task. Project will store that as the overall budget for the project and roll it up automatically. From here, your total budget appears at the top on the summary task. As your team records progress and costs, you can compare budget cost to actual cost to see what you've spent, and to planned cost to check whether you're on track. If your currency or formatting looks off, remember, it follows the project's currency settings. That's it. You've set up a true budget in Microsoft Project the correct way, ready for reliable tracking and reporting.